Ready? Go.
How do you stop it?
Stop.
I can't sing or dance, but, I can burp.
What? Wait, do you have some like gastrointestinal issues that we
Yeah, I
need to
do.
work out
So stop
on
making
this
fun of
stream?
it. Yeah,
Well,
I
let's
do.
talk about it. Let's
No.
talk about it.
You're not my doc. I don't need to talk about it with you. I'm not talking about it, dude. I don't like talking about it. It's embarrassing. Turn that off.
Hey now, easy neighbor. Dang man, I got a throbbing rod. You got a throbbing rod? Is your rod throbbing this morning?
Oh, it's not. I'm serious.
Not?
It's not. Stop. It's not.
Nah, dude, it's not. It's not.
You mocking me?
Aw.
I'll freaking beat your butt.
Okay, well, you're not gonna be.
Nice burp.
Thanks, bro. Finally, somebody is thankful for it, you know?
If it were a fart, I'd be even more thankful for it.
Really? You're a little fart sniffer, aren't you?
No, I just compliment people for stuff.
I bet I can burp louder.
No, you can't.
I'll prove it. Hold on. Ow.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm drinking soda.
Oh, come on, baby. Come on. You got it. Are you... Oh, yeah!